Welcome to this comprehensive review of Exolix, a leading non-custodial crypto exchange platform designed to offer secure, anonymous, and efficient cryptocurrency transactions. If you're searching for a trustworthy exchange to swap your favorite cryptocurrencies, you're in the right place. Exolix requires no registration, ensuring your anonymity, and provides a user-friendly experience for both new and experienced traders. You can swap a wide range of cryptocurrencies without limits, making it perfect for those managing small or large transactions. The platform guarantees fixed exchange rates, protecting you from market volatility during the transaction process. Whether you're exchanging Bitcoin, Ethereum, or a lesser-known altcoin, Exolix has you covered with transparent processes and no hidden fees. Their intuitive interface allows users to complete exchanges in just a few clicks, and all transactions are processed within minutes, offering both speed and security. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Exolix also prioritizes your security by employing robust encryption and non-custodial operations, meaning you retain full control of your assets throughout the exchange process. This makes it one of the safest options for swapping cryptocurrencies today. The platform supports a vast array of coins, giving you the freedom to explore and diversify your portfolio with ease. For anyone concerned about privacy, Exolix's no registration policy is a major advantage. If you're curious about how the platform works, it's simple. You select the currencies you wish to exchange, input your wallet address, confirm the transaction, and deposit your funds. Exolix does the rest, delivering your swapped cryptocurrency directly to your wallet. It's that seamless. Smash the like button if you found this review helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful crypto content.